Hello friends, with the intention to discuss strange expressions and confusables, I began interacting with AK7DOLL. No sooner I spelled out an expression than did the doll react naturally. My good heavens, the show spontaneously turned out to be a blooper. That's what you're gonna keep watching now.
Next one. He loves her mother more than her dog. What do you understand by this? Or what do you understand
I
from this?
recommend you to love your mother and your dog equally.
No.
I recommend you to love your mother and your dog equally. They both are living things. They should be loved equally.
Wait, girl, no. You're taking me off the track. See here, the expression is, he loves her mother more than her dog. There are
That sentence is way too offensive for a pet lover.
Wait. What the person tries to understand, let's analyze. He loves her mother more than her dog. Means what? He loves her mother, he loves her dog. Okay. But his love towards her mother is more. But
I recommend you to love your pet first and your mother first. I recommend you to love your family members all first.
Pandemonium means total confusion. Okay, we'll have a break here.
Yeah, let's have a break here because I'm already angry with the sentence that has been created in the studio.
Okay, fine.
I wanted to establish the following, but I wasn't allowed to. Okay folks, get to know what it is. He loves a mother more than a dog. He loves a mother more than he loves a dog. I hope you understood what I said. Okay, bye. See you.